Introducing Taptek Taptek, the world's first mechanical keyboard with Apple's minimalistic design. With a thickness of 16 millimeters and matte finish keycap, Taptek gives you the ultimate typing experience. Whether it's at the office, at home, wired or wireless connection, Taptek is designed to fit your daily needs. There are 19 RGB backlit modes, giving you a sense of uniqueness, and you can get inspired from every tap. You can carry Taptek wherever you go, to experience a simple lifestyle that's filled with inspiration. Taptek is not only thin, but weighs only 0.5 kilograms, and it can be paired with 3 devices. The user-friendly approach features Mac and Windows layout. Compatible with iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac. Its shortcut keys allow you to control the computer volume, brightness, etc. So, what are you waiting for?